Good evening. My name is Matteo Pernisa, and I'm here to present Echolight, a biomedical startup company developing a new non-invasive solution for osteoporosis diagnosis. Echolight is a mix of different talents. My brother and me, with several years of experience in the medical device industry, mainly with the Israeli company. 3 years ago, we met a group of researchers involving in the development of new non-invasive solution in the medical field, and all it started. We have a huge problem to solve: osteoporosis, an epidemic disease affecting 200 million women worldwide. And despite the fact, underdiagnosis and undertreating of the disease is a huge public health issue. What is the pain? The gold standard technology is a radiation-based technology, high cost and very low accessibility to detect bone strength. And in addition, the technology provides only bone density information and no information about bone quality, leading to a late diagnosis. Echolight solved the problem with the new innovative solution, radiation-free, provide information about bone density both and bone quality, enabling to have a more accurate and early diagnosis of the disease. With radiation-free, low cost, and huge market opportunity in every medical offices, every GPs and pharmacies. The osteoporosis market is a very fresh, new, emerging market led by huge investment of pharmaceutical companies launching new treatments every year. And that is the right time to step in. What we're looking for? We know the medical industry. We know that we are facing a big challenge, a huge impact on the quality of life of millions of people. But we have a smart team with good connection in marketing and medical community. We have a strong advisory board, most of them from Israel. And we have a breakthrough technology patented. And I think that we have an emerging market need. We are here in Silicon Valley to look for people who believe that life can be improved by innovation, hard work, and a flash of genius. Thank you.
What's the exact state of your product? Is it, what exact state? Okay, you understand.
Where we stand, what we achieve, and the future. We already patented the breakthrough method. We already developed the algorithm to detect bone strength to vertebra. We are completing the development of the software and the hardware. And I think that we will be ready to launch beta site in 6 months and go to market instant international in 1.5 years.
So is it safe to say then that the technology still hasn't been proven out, or is it? Has the technology been proven? Have you demonstrated that actually your approach actually works?
We already completed a preclinical validation with several rheumatology centers in Italy and also 2 internationals, and the feedback is very, very great.
How do you estimate the costs going forward for a regulatory approved FDA or training of doctors, training of clinics and things like that? Through the life of the company.
I've spent the last 5 years of my life working with an Israeli company producing osteoporosis diagnosis devices. So I have a lot of experience, and you can say this is the round that we are aiming to found, and half of the funding will be for R&D, 30% for marketing activity and G&A. We don't need a lot of money to certification because we already have a predicate product, so we don't need a PMA FDA, but only a 15K FDA. C is very easy to get in 6 months.
What's the revenue?
You say that this is a mature technology, right? And can you estimate the cost, and how would you compare with the competition?
The current technology and device for osteoporosis diagnosis is around per unit up to $100,000. Our unit, our device, will be in the market around $15,000. Bill of material is around $3,000 per unit. So we have a huge market in the private sector, not only a hospital, big hospital procedures. One day, everybody will have a bone strength assessment in every pharmacies, every GPs, sorry?
Every household.
Like a blood pressure, like a blood pressure.
Thank you, Matteo. Got a talent.